Alright, so I just wanna give an advice to everyone, no, na gustong mag-aral ng any musical instrument and, natatakot na baka pangit yung maging sound, baka mag-fail ako, baka hindi ko matutunan ng tama. In reality, dadaan ka sa sobrang daming failures and sobrang daming mali na ginagawa mo. But that's okay, no? Gawin mo na lahat ng mali ngayon before you step on a stage and perform. So sa lesson, sa practice, it's okay to make mistakes, no? That's why you have lessons. You have lessons for that, diba? That's why you practice. Sabi ko nga sa mga students ko, huwag kayong matakot na gawin. Yeah? I just want you to do your best, and kung may mali, aayusin natin. 'Di ba? Kasi nga sa lesson inaayos yung mga mali. Sa practice inaayos yung mga mali. You want a perfect run, 'di ba? Pero minsan hindi mo maiwasan 'yan. And the most important thing is, after you make that mistake, you analyze, you reflect. Bakit ako nagkamali ng ganito? Ano yung dapat kong asikasuhin? Ano yung dapat kong ayusin? Para next time, I won't make the same mistake again. Or maybe, I'm lacking something. Whether that's skill, whether that's understanding. Kaya ka nga nagle-lesson, diba? Kaya ka nga nagpa-practice. So, okay lang magkamali. Okay lang mapagalitan. Diba? Para ma-prepare mo yung sarili mo when it comes to performance. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, every time na I have lessons with my students, I encourage them to just play. I don't let them feel na kailangan pag tinugtog mo sa harap ko perfect na. Hindi. Nandito tayo, ako as a mentor, I always think that I'm here to help, 'di ba? Hindi para i-pressure ka into doing something na kailangan perfect na, ganyan. Hindi ganoon. Yung perfection comes through the routines that you do, and of course through experience, 'di ba? So if you commit a mistake, one or two, that's fine. Pero what's not acceptable, maybe, for a lot of people, is that you commit the same mistakes over and over, week over week. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi ka nagpa-practice or hindi mo inaasikaso yung dapat. So you have to face your fears. Sometimes kasi nauunahan tayo ng takot na parang, hala, magkakamali na naman ako dito. So try to find the root cause of your problem. Make sure na maayos mo siya, and kung hindi talaga kayang ayusin, ask help from your teacher, from your mentors. Kasi alam nila kung ano yung dapat gawin. Most likely they have an idea, or maybe before pinagdaanan din nila yung mga mistakes na that you're constantly dealing with right now, diba? So it's okay to make mistakes, but you have to be accountable for those mistakes. You have to make sure that you will do your part also para ayusin yung mistakes na yan. Hindi naman din pwede na puro mali na lang. Kailangan gagawin mo ng paraan para next time mawala na yan. Kaya nga, magkamali ka na ng ngayon habang nag-e-ensayo ka, habang nagpa-practice ka. Pero pick up the pieces and work on it para hindi ka na magkamali. Para pagdating ng performance mo, confident ka, pulido yung pagpe-perform mo. And you can say na you really put in the work, diba? So again, it's okay to make mistakes. You just have to own up. You have to be accountable, and you have to find ways to correct them as well, with the help of the people around you, with the people who understands your craft, and your mentors. So yan.